Hello everybody, so this is going to be an intro series to adventures in 3D printing. I went out and got a better camera, so instead of using my phone, I'm going to be using a Canon PowerShot. But anyway, some of the things that you're going to see is 3D prints. This is like a Warhammer figure. I mean, it's not near the same height. So I gotta figure that out on my CR10. But for the most part, it does print out a really, really good copy when I print it out right. I've printed out a couple of these now. Kind of use this as the guinea pig. You know, testing stuff out. I'm starting to use the Cura program 3.1, and it's actually turning out really, really good. I mean, those are 100 millimeters tall. But I've done actually a couple things for 3D printing. Like I'll do a whole workup on this guy. I want to actually reprint this because there's a line. I changed the filament halfway through and it left the line all the way through. I don't know, no idea why. But yeah, so this is going to be called the Adventures of 3D printing. Maybe one day I'll show my printer and all the little things it does. But for the most part, it's just going to be a series of videos just based on 3D printing. Some of my other videos are going to be on like my war group build that's going on. But I'm actually getting to like the 3D printing side of it. I see a lot of potential there. And I just printed out a dog thing, and I'm gonna do a He-Man figure. There's a Skeletor figure. Let's see, what was one of the other ones? I've done Groot. I've done actually a couple of Groots. See, I've done a couple of Groots. This is really cheap in PLA. So hopefully everybody enjoys this series of videos, and I'm gonna try to start pumping these out once a week on a certain day. I haven't chosen what day I'm gonna bring stuff out yet, but it's gonna be a series of videos at least the same day every week, whether it's this or some of the other stuff I like doing. I want to start getting the woodworking stuff out too. So this channel is gonna start doing a lot of different stuff. So hopefully everybody likes the videos coming up. I will catch everybody later. Bye.